Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thank you for connecting with us. Today we are gonna see what is expert option and how can you sign up for expert option, and we are gonna discuss a detailed description of the website expert option. Now let's jump into it. So now this, as you guys can see, this is the home page of expertoption.com. And what is expert option? Basically, expert option is a broker, which is offering trading services, which makes trade simpler in an online platform, and it's fast and efficient. And this platform provides services such as depositing, trading, and withdrawing. And you can use this service in all devices such as Windows device, Mac OS, and Android, iOS, including all devices and operating systems. This is compatible. And the special feature of this website, and this is a trusted platform, and there is an award for this website, best trading platform, and according to the website, and this is 100% trusted, and this is a global platform. So over 48 countries are engaging in trading in this platform. And there are many special features of this website, and those are: the minimum investment of this website is $1, and the minimum deposit amount of the website is $50, and minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Now we'll check out with the expertoption.com website. So now I'm going to click menu. Yes, this is nicely designed. There are many tabs: home, trading, education, company, and we'll go for the first option, trading. There are many features. Now let's engage in searching the features of this website. Yes, we can use expertoption.com in mobile apps too, and here are the download links. And in desktop, we can use in desktop like in Windows and Mac OS, and we can use web platform too. And there are many types of account in this website. So micro account, basic account, silver account, gold account, and platinum account, and exclusive. The exclusive account is for invitational purpose only, and the micro is $10, starting from $10, and the platinum version is $5,000. And this shows a chart where the features of micro account, basic account, silver account, and gold account, and platinum account. And the people who are selecting micro account are the people who are expecting to start with a light performance, and basic account is also a light starting account. And for silver accounts, the free consultancy services are included, and gold and platinum are the premium accounts in this website. And you can withdraw money by trading, and like using debit or credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, and Union Pay, and lots of other platforms. And the other section of the website deal with the education, and you can learn with webinars, tutorials, and other section is about the company, expert option company. Now I am going to head over to the home section, and now I can use a free demo account without signing with a real account. I can use demo account. Yes, by using a demo account, I am getting $10,000 of money without any investment, and this is the safest way of trading in this website. And by using this way, you won't get any risks or 0% risk rate. And I can open a real account too using this website. And now I am going to open a real account. Click open real account, and this is new account, and I should enter email address, and I should provide a new password to this website. So now I am going to provide it. So now I have successfully entered the email address, and I have created a new password, and click I accept terms and conditions. Click on open account. When you click on this button, your new real account will be created, and you can use that account and you can trade in this app using that real account. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy for more tech tips and videos. See you in my next video.